y'all over here, bro. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Okay.
Yo. Put the gun down there. Yo. Don't.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Hey.
No, I said I was out, bro.
That wasn't me though.
I just said don't fucking shoot me again. You think we hurt you? Didn't you get up from over there? Mad? Yeah, you told me to come here. Yeah, I'm coming here, right? Yeah. Alright, what's up? Well, why are you so mad? Alright, bro. Alright, okay. I don't want it. I mean, you can try something if you want to. Alright, bro, take that camera off. Yeah, take it off. Yeah, you scared. Bro, stop being a fucking troll, bro. Bro, take that shit off. I don't think I'm scared. That is funny. That's like right here. Bruh, just cut it out. Just cut it out. No, because he wants to be so hard. Bruh. So show me your body. Alright, take it off then. Bruh. But I thought you were hard. Take it off then. We can sell it. How you gonna instigate? Cool, bruh, chill out. Because you gonna be mad if you gonna rock your shit for real, bruh. Yeah, I'm chilling. You gonna be mad. Hey, come here. What's up? Take off that shit. Because you're scared, bro. You won't take it off because you're scared. Then take it off. Bro, it's cool, bro. No, dude, you're not gonna press me and then just be like, oh, bro, you're mad, bro. You're the one that take off that camera because you're fucking scared. I know you're not gonna do nothing. Bro, just stop being fucking a faggot, bro. Go, bro, go. Bro, I don't give a fuck, bro. I tried breaking it up and y'all being immature. Grow the fuck up. So what are you doing? So how are you being? Because y'all over here, bro. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Okay. Hey, you're off, bro. Don't fucking do that. He's a fucking kid. Fucking kid. What do you... Oh, look at his ball. You guys fucking shot at him first. Because he tried to fucking break that stuff. He punched me. He punched it. Are you fucking dumb? Oh, shit. Yeah, I love Airsoft. This shit's funny. He just came over here and fucking pushed him in the net. For no fucking reason.